This is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide someone's story on Snapchat. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! The Discover section on Snapchat is a great way to find and watch new content. However, Snapchat keeps suggesting content that you don't enjoy it can quickly become an annoyance. Luckily, Snapchat have the option to hide and mute stories. So in this video, we'll show you how to do it. It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. From here, you can open the story section and you can choose on the account that you want to hide the story. For example, I will hide story from this. You can just tap and hold on the story. You can choose on hide story suggestion. And also this one if you want to hide more than one. You can just hide it like this. It's very simple, right? So you can hide all someone's story like suggested stories or maybe your friend's story in here if you want to hide their story. It's very simple, right? You can just tap and hold on the story and choose on hide story suggestion. So if you want to see the hidden story, you can go to here, the three dots over here. You can view your hidden stories. It's very simple, right? So that is how to hide someone's story on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.